Hi guys, my name is Yuan, and I'm gonna make Ninjago Ninja, and his name is Lloyd, and we need the hair.
So this is what Yuan will do. His name is
Lloyd.
So this is the guide that he's following. So what do we need, Yuan?
We need the hair, the head, the mask, the body, the legs, the sword.
Okay, so what do we do first?
We attach the hair to the head.
Okay. There.
And then we attach the mask to the head and hair.
Okay. Okay. What's next, Yuan? I think that's good. That's it. What's next?
We need the body.
Okay. Alright, can you show us? Let's see.
I don't think that's right.
That's okay. Let me see. There you go. And then what's the next one?
Then we need the legs.
We need the legs.
And then we need the sword.
There you go. So now you're done. Show me. What's the name of your character, the Ninjago?
Lloyd.
That's Lloyd. Good job, Yuan.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.